Hi, is your model steam engine flywheel shaft running metal to metal on your Jensen or Wilesco or other steam engines? Stay with me, I'll show you how to make it run quiet with some added bushings. I'm Chris, and I'll walk you through installing your bearings in your steam engine. Locate the screw with the spring to remove the piston cylinder and the shaft. Now we're going to spin the flywheel and find the screw that attaches the flywheel to the shaft or locks it to the shaft, and then we'll loosen that and pull the shaft out. Just need to loosen it slightly. Now with the flywheel and shaft removed, use a 15/64 of an inch drill bit to drill out the two holes. In this example, these holes were already pre-drilled and I had already installed the bushings, but just drill through and enlarge the holes with that 15/64 inch drill bit. Once that's complete, you can install the new set of bushings, which are available from gerberdesigns.com. Twist the bushing to make it a little smaller when inserting it into the hole. Insert the shaft back through the bushings. Reinstall the flywheel. Tighten the locking screw. Reinstall the piston. Installation is complete. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, bearing kits are available at gerberdesigns.com. And if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. This motivates me to make more technical videos.